Welcome back, friends, to the English Goeta YouTube channel. In the fourth part of the playlist, we will discuss how to change the superlative into other degrees. Though politics is one of the most divisive spheres of human activity, politicians are the most visible figures in mass media. It is not our intention to promote any political party or person at the cost of another. English is the only thing that we promote from this platform. The superlative degree must involve at least three persons or objects to make the comparison. The image on the screen shows the 10 most popular Indian politicians. Drawing on the image, we can make a few sentences in the superlative degree. Dr. Manmohan Singh is the former Prime Minister of India. To talk about his popularity in comparison with others, we can say Dr. Manmohan Singh is one of the most popular Indian leaders. With regard to popularity, Narendra Modi, the incumbent Prime Minister, occupies the first rank among the most popular leaders displayed in the image. We can say Narendra Modi is the most popular Indian leader. Here are two more examples of the superlative degree. The comparison in the first example subsumes all the 12 months of the year, among which April is the cruelest, as Eliot says. In fact, April is the month of spring and a time of new hope. Eliot is talking here of the wasteland. The second example compares all the metals, among which copper is one of the most useful. The superlative degree tells us that one person or object possesses some quality in the highest degree in comparison with all or most of others in that class. In the first part of the playlist, we discussed how to form the superlative of the adjective. We need not repeat it here. The definite article the is used before the superlative form of the adjective. Here are 6 examples of the superlative degree. In each of these examples, one person or thing possesses a particular quality in the highest degree in comparison with any or all of their kind. We can change the superlative into the positive as well as the comparative degree. Let's begin with the first example. Use the phrase no democracy in the world as the subject of the positive degree sentence. Use an appropriate form of the linking verb be in accordance with the subject. Use the positive degree structure so large as. We can also say as large as. And the sentence with the noun that functions as the subject of the superlative degree sentence. Now to change the same example into the comparative. Use India as the subject of the comparative degree sentence. Place an appropriate form of the linking verb be after the subject. Use the comparative form of the adjective and place the conjunction then after it. Finish the sentence with the phrase any other democracy in the world. Following the same formula, we can do the rest of the examples. No feminist movement is as revolutionary as. The Guerrilla Girls. The Guerrilla Girls is more revolutionary than any other feminist movement. No villain of the Hindi cinema is so iconic as Gabbar Singh. Gabbar Singh is more iconic than any other villain of the Hindi cinema. No animal is as deadly as the mosquito. The mosquito is deadlier than all animals. No man in the world is so happy as Matthew Ricard. Matthew Ricard is happier than any other man in the world. No weapon in the world can be as lethal as the tongue. The tongue can be more lethal than any other weapon in the world. No sin is as bad as ingratitude. Ingratitude is worse than all sins. Here are 6 more examples of the superlative degree. In each of these examples, one person or thing possesses a particular quality in the highest degree in comparison with most others of their kind. Let us change the superlative degree in these examples into the positive as well as the comparative. To change first into the positive, use the phrase very few Indian writers in English as the subject of the positive degree sentence. Use an appropriate form of the linking verb be in accordance with the subject. Please note the change in the form of the verb. Use the positive degree structure. Finish the sentence with the noun which functions as the subject of the original superlative degree sentence. Now to change the same example into the comparative. Neeraj Chaudhary will remain the subject of the comparative degree sentence. Use an appropriate form of the linking verb be after the subject. Use the comparative form of the adjective and place the conjunction then after it. Finish the sentence with the phrase most Indian writers in English. Following the same formula, let us do the rest of the examples. Very few buildings in the world are as tall as Freedom Tower. Freedom Tower is taller than most other buildings in the world. Very few men in the world were as wise as Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was wiser than most other men in the world. Very few cars in the world are as expensive as the Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce is more expensive than most other cars in the world. Very few currencies are as strong as the Kuwaiti dinar. The Kuwaiti dinar is stronger than most other currencies. Very few remedies for pain are as effective as Jandu balm. Jandu balm is more effective than most other remedies for pain. Very few diseases in India are as serious as tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is more serious than most other diseases in India. You can pause the video and do these exercises to check your progress on the way to mastering the degrees of comparison. If you wish, you can skip the exercises for now and revisit them later at your convenient time. Thanks for watching. Hope you would not miss the next video on the comparison of adverbs. Please feel free to share your comments.